When all hope seems lost and the world's left you behind, remember every little spark can turn into a fire. You're meant for more than pancakes, and we're with you all the way. The short end of the stick is just more kindle for your flame. You're not just an oven, but a furnace burning bright. It's time for the world to see the power of your light. Let everything go. Don't hold back anymore. Heed the calling of the crown. You were lost, but now you're found.